Hi friends, how are you? We hope you're all fine. Today we'll draw the coconut tree from a simple line drawing. To start the drawing, first of all, let's draw three lines. These are the single lines. Now we'll make the lines double. You know the coconut tree has long leaves on top of it. We can start like this. Each tree has long leaves. We can do little more detailing at the bottom. And we can also do a little detailing at the body of the trees. Coconut tree has few racks, like after this rack, this one and this one. Each tree have the racks. It's little different than the other trees. Now we will put the leaves here in a detailed way. It's like one tree have so many branches, but it really looks like the coconut tree, right? Right. The things looks amazing when the drawing is completed, no? But while we draw, we have to have patience until we finish the drawing. So the patience is important. So two trees are complete. We are going for the third one. These are the little detailing, and we need this detailing to finish because it makes the tree like a coconut tree. Otherwise, how can I understand that it's a coconut tree? And the detailing at the bottom, we can do some retouch here. It's like a bush at the bottom of the tree, and we can do a little work on the body here. There are some coconut fruits here. This is it. It's the video almost complete. So thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe, and put the bell icons on so that you can get the update of the new videos. Tell your friends about it and tell everybody to subscribe the channel and watch the videos for more interesting drawings. Thank you so much. Have a good day.